Hey everybody, I'm up driving in the mountains in the middle of the night. Can you see the animal there? It is a animal in the road, in clear sight right now. Can you see it? I almost missed it coming up. It's a Shika, the weirdo Japanese strange mountain sheep goat thing. Here it is to the side. It's just its head poking up. It's kind of a weird sight to see at the side of the road. Check this out. There it is. It's big. It's about the size of a goat. And there it is looking at me through the weeds. I don't know if it's resting, seated there, or if it's fallen in a hole, or just what's going on there. Those eyes. Very interesting. I was driving along and I saw the gleam of these eyes out of the gloom there, looking at me. I don't want to startle it, but I do want to just get a little bit closer. It looks like it's just laying there. Slow the window. It's just sitting here. What are you doing there? This route sign. It's about an hour and a half before New Year's. Got up. There it goes. There it goes. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you away from your restful spot as you go up in the hill. Okay, take care. Sorry to disturb you. Happy New Year.